Everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have this simple makeup look with a pop of color. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to start off with my moisturizer. This one's from Laura Mercier. I love using this before I apply my foundation. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply this all over my skin and blend that in with my fingertips. Go ahead and move on with the Milk Makeup Hydro Primer, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply this all over my skin. Then I'm going with my KVD foundation in the color medium 30, and I'm just going to dot this all over my face, and then we're going to go ahead and blend that out with a beauty sponge. After making sure that everything's really nice and blended, I'm going to go ahead with this IT Cosmetics but by Dark Spots, and I'm going to go ahead and apply this under my eyes, cupid's bow, bridge of my nose, forehead, and just kind of go ahead and blend all that out. So I'm just going to make sure that everything's really nice and blended and that I don't have no creases. Then I'm just going to go with my Slay powder from Gerard Cosmetics, and you can use Pretty Grace for some money off. And I'm going to go ahead and set my under eyes. It just brightens my under eyes and pores wear. So I'm just going to go ahead and set my under eyes. Anywhere that I conceal, that's where I'm going to go ahead and set. Then I'm going to go ahead and switch up my powders. I'm going to be using Laura Mercier and Too Faced Peach Perfect. Blend those mix those together and then blend them into my skin. And I'm just going to go ahead and pat that into my skin with a brush. I really like these two together because they keep me matte and keep my foundation on all day. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. After that, I'm going to go with this powder, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply this to my cheekbones. Just going to go ahead and contour a little bit. So I'm just going to bring some color back into my face, and I'm just going to blend that in. Make sure that everything is really nice and blended. You don't want to have any harsh lines. So I do like to kind of leave a little bit of extra powder, and then I just go back and blend it out with my face powder. So I'm just contouring my chin, cheekbones, forehead, just to make sure that everything looks snatched. After that, I'm going to go with my One Size blush, and I'm going to go ahead and apply this to my cheekbones just to give me the little peach sun-kissed look. Then I'm just going to go ahead and set my face with the new Milk Makeup setting powder, setting spray, and I'm just going to let that dry a little bit. So then I'm going to go ahead and move on with my eyes. This is a really simple look. So I'm going to use the same bronzer I used for my cheekbones. I'm going to use it for my eyes. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this to my crease, and I'm just going to blend that inwards. And I kind of like to keep the shade a little bit more to the outer corner. Then I'm going with this Rare Beauty. This one's supposed to be a blush, but I wanted to use it as an eyeshadow. So I went ahead and applied this right into my tear duct area, blending that into my lid just to give me a little bit of pop of color. And look how pretty that look. That look looks very simple, yet it looks really nice. So I'm just going to apply the same bronzer into bottom lash line, some Bellamy lashes, and IT Cosmetics mascara, prepping the lashes before I apply my falsies. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply some mascara to my top and bottoms. Then applying my Bellamy lashes. These are so pretty. I really like them. Then I'm going with a Morphe lip liner to line my lips, kind of overdraw them a little bit just to make them seem a little bit more plumpy and more full. So yeah. Then I'm using my Time Los Angeles liquid lip. I'll list all the products down below, and then I kind of just like to go and blend with my finger. And this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to comment, subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.